Section 11.3, Reflection. So when we talked about sound, a reflection was just an echo. When we talk about reflection of a light wave, it's the same thing. It's a wave reflecting off of some reflective surface, or a returning of the wave to the medium which it came and then encountered that surface. Just like with sound, the law of reflection holds with light. So the angle of incidence of the incident ray is equal to the angle of reflection of the reflected ray. What the law of reflection implies for the way we observe things is the way that you see yourself in a mirror. When you or an object is standing in front of a mirror, a virtual image of the object is formed at a distance equal to the object from the mirror. For example, if you stand 2 meters away from a mirror, your image will appear to be 2 meters away from the mirror as well. However, in a flat, or what we call a plane mirror, the back front image is reversed. So if you look at yourself in the mirror and you raise your right hand, your image raises its left hand. If the mirror is not flat, it will produce different types of virtual images. A convex mirror, where you have a mirror that curves outward, will produce an image that's smaller and closer to the mirror than the object. This can allow you to see things around corners and from farther distances. In older convenience stores, you may still see these mirrors up on the ceiling where cashiers would use them to watch for shoplifting. Now we just use cameras. Concave mirrors, which curve inward, generate a virtual image that is larger and farther away than the object. Concave mirrors are what are used for your rearview mirrors. This is why they will say objects are closer than they appear, because the image you are seeing is farther away. Remember that just like with a plane mirror, where you can have very clear reflection from a smooth surface, you can also have diffuse reflection of light. And this is how you see the road at night. Your headlights shine on the road and are reflected back to your eyes. Because the road is bumpy and not smooth, you can see all of the road. All of that reflected light makes its way back to your eyes. It's reflected off of every piece of the road. If the road's wet, the ground is much smoother. The light doesn't reflect off everywhere, and you can only really see the borders of the puddle, and not the road underneath the puddle.